I'm Terry McElveen. I'm with Nucor Coal Finish here in Darlington, South Carolina. I've been with Nucor almost 4.5 years, and I've recently had the opportunity to attend the Dale Carnegie class. And what a privilege it's been. I'm learning techniques and skills, which is going to make me a better leader. Here just recently, one of the return on asset projects that we're working on is to reduce inventory for a customer. And that's been, we've been able to do that by 35% in less than 3 months. What a great job this has been. And I encourage you, take a Dale Carnegie class, it's worth it.
Hi, my name is Brett Altsmary. I'm from Nucor Steel in Darlington, South Carolina. I just want to say that anybody that goes through this class is, needs to be willing and eager to learn. You will get a lot out of it. You will take a lot back to your corporation or your company that you're working for. If you're just looking for, something personal, you're definitely going to get a lot out of it, and I hope you the best.
My name is Carter Schaff. I'm with Eastern Industrial Supplies in Florence, South Carolina. To all those guys out there and gals who are thinking about taking the Dale Carnegie class, I would highly recommend it because it's a great way to learn more about yourself and other people and how to better yourself and any situation and any challenges you may face in life.
My name is Chase Eaton from Nucor Steel, and the Dale Carnegie training has really helped me out to open and honest communication with other employees and teammates, and I think that's the biggest benefit of this course for me.
Hi, my name is Chad Gagnon. I'm from Walmart White. The biggest thing that I've learned from Dale Carnegie classes is to manage my stress. I used to live very stressful. I took all my work home, took it out of my family, took it out of my animals. But now, after taking the Dale Carnegie class, I am very comfortable at leaving my work at work. My family life is fantastic. My work habits are fantastic now. I've just got a very good compliment from my boss. And I would like to say to Jim and DJ, thank you for all your help, and I hope more is
My name is Dave Matthews with Coca-Cola Consolidated, and the biggest benefit I got from the Dale Carnegie training class was the ability to deal with multiple personalities in a leadership environment, and I actually collaborated with 6 or 7 other supervisors to set up a stewardship process for the company.
Chief Park with Nucor Coal Finish Darlington. Thanks Dale Carnegie for the experience. Your goals are going to be highly utilized by myself and my future in the Nucor Corporation.
My name is Jason Pugh, and definitely the biggest thing I got out of the class is how to relate with others and see things from their perspective.
How's that helped you at work?
It's helped quite a bit on that. Just definitely gained a lot of the buy-in from some of the people working in other departments.
My name is Jennifer Hayes, and I work with Octo Owners Insurance Company, and Dale Carnegie has been a goal of mine for 2 years that I have procrastinated on, but finally just took the leap and have done it. I think that personally it's helped me just be more confident. I think professionally it has given me the confidence to speak to individuals versus groups. I've felt pretty comfortable in speaking with groups, but not individually. And I also feel that it has given me techniques to reduce my stress at work and to only assign each stress-related thing with the amount that it needs to be assigned, and then just not giving it more than it deserves. So that's the things that I think I've taken from Dale Carnegie.
My name is Joe Caraway. I've just completed the Dale Carnegie class, and what I would like for everybody to do is to
Show us that diploma.
there it is.
There you go. Keep going.
I'd like for everybody to, if you have the chance, join this class because it makes everybody better. One time I was inside of a shell, now I have busted out the shell. Thank you.
I'm Kevin Ham, Nucor Steel. I took a lot of things from this class, including stepping out of comfort zone, talking in front of people. I think it's helped my leadership skills and my self-confidence, and I appreciate everything the class had to offer.
Hi, my name is Kevin Rouse. I'm with Nucor Steel. Dale Carnegie has really been influential to me over the past 8 weeks. I've certainly gotten a lot out of it. I know the principles that Dale Carnegie preaches are really actually kind of basic principles. They're not hard to grasp, they're not hard to practice, but they're absolutely easy to pick up. And maybe you flip through them every now and then. Hey, I've got something that I need to work on, and absolutely they're there for you and absolutely will help you become more successful. I know they've done that for me. I've got several speeches that I'm going to give over the next few months, and I'm certainly positive that I'll make an impact on the audience and be a better speaker.
My name is Kevin Waddell. I work for Nucor Steel in Darlington. The things that I got out of Dale Carnegie is listening skills, communication, and being a better father and husband at home with my wife and my children and grandchildren. And they've seen a big difference in me as work and at home. And it really paid off for me.
Hi, I'm Marcus Williams from Nucor Steel, Darlington, South Carolina. I'd like to thank Dale Carnegie for getting this class started, and it has helped me become a better leader, a better listener, and has helped me get along better with my employees and coworkers.
Hi, my name is Michelle Hoffman, and I am a business process owner on our Oracle ERP project implementation team. We have a plant manager that everybody has considered to be very cantankerous and difficult to work with, and I made him my project. I wanted to be able to have him come around to see our side of the world and use us as a resource, but not as a conduit to get something done. And what I did was I actually reached out to him prior to anything was happening, started doing some small talk, checking in with him to make sure that things were going okay. And then he actually called me one day and said, I have actually looked at this, I've looked for this, and this, and I still can't make it happen. What am I doing wrong? And I actually helped him, but now in the status meetings, I'm actually championing this plant manager and saying he's actually reaching out and he's wanting to make changes.
So,
Hey, I'm Patrick Elliott. Just got through with the Dale Carnegie class, and basically before the class started, I was a run over people kind of person. Didn't really have the strong communication with my guys that I have now, and thanks to the class, I'm a better communicator and also a better listener. And like I said in the class before, it takes all aspects to be a good leader, and I think these are the first two steps to a good leader.
Hey, I'm Philip Clark. I'm a shipping supervisor at Nucor Steel Darlington, and some things I got out of the class, business-wise anyway, I've got to be more comfortable talking in front of new people. I've been very comfortable talking in front of teammates that I've been around for years, but when it comes to new people, I was very uncomfortable. This class actually opened me up and made me feel more comfortable talking in front of others. It also, believe it or not, personally, actually got me back into a relationship with a family member. And after 10 years, that's hard to say, but it's helped me out a lot.
I'm Vincent Posé from Beneteau. We're building sailboat in Marion, South Carolina. I really encourage you to go to the Dale Carnegie training. It's a good opportunity to be outside of work, at a fun time, learning and improving on yourself. So come at Dale Carnegie, you will learn a lot on yourself.
Okay, I'm Scott with Nucor. 8 weeks ago, you couldn't hardly get me in front of a crowd to speak, and now I kind of look forward to it.
Name is Ryan Green, work for Nucor Steel in Darlington. I would take this class again in an instant just for the fact that it gained a lot of experience and knowledge on how to handle stress, how to gain some leadership, and worked on those skills to develop further in my career.
Great to see the interaction with you guys as a team. You support one another, you encourage one another, and to watch a group get up and someone get up, and to be in an environment where they see strange faces a matter of weeks prior, and they see friends, but they see encouragement, and really that's just a nice thing to see. The other thing I would tell our Nucor teammates, and this is things that they have heard before, we talk about at the end of the day, the bottom line, the profit side, but really what matters is how you go about making a profit, and you do it the right way, the proper way, you do it ethically, you do it morally, but then what you do with those profits, and you do good things with those. And a lot of thank yous to Nucor for what's done, but I will tell you this, don't forget, it was the profits that you guys, our team, made that got reinvested in a good fashion and got reinvested in one another, and we continue to do that. So I've been in a number of plants where we do just that, and it's a commitment Nucor has to doing good things with our profits, and that's reinvesting back in our teammates. And again and again and again, and we do that because it generates a tremendous long-term return, and that's why we do that. So I would tell you what, I just appreciate you guys, your sacrifices that each of you have made to be here. It's a commitment, it's a personal sacrifice, and I appreciate that. I appreciate you guys taking advantage of an opportunity, being engaged and doing something that benefits yourselves